Hi, I'm Uri, co-founder of DocuPipe. In this video, we'll see how we can do one of the many things the DocuPipe can do, which is convert any document to a PDF. So let's start by taking a look at a standard type of document with dummy data. Here, for example, we have a bank statement, and all you need to do to make sense of this document and convert it into a PDF is to just upload your file. Now, if we go back to the actual document that you're looking at, you'll see that it's not directly, not everything is obviously a table, right? Like average balance and everything here isn't exactly organized as a nice sheet with headings. And this is an important portion of what DocuPipe can do, which is it infers a good structure for your document and converts it into an Excel representation, which makes sense. So under the hood, what the AI does is it makes sense of the content of the document and turns it into sheets that are Excel format ready, right? So what we have here is first a main sheet with global information that we were able to extract, and then the transactions organized by date, then the deposit and credits, the withdrawals and debits, and so on and so forth. And we can download it all to Excel easy breezy. So all of what you've seen so far, basically you get for free, right? Like as you might have noticed, I never signed up, I never signed in, I never typed in my credit card or anything. It's yours, it's free to use on DocuPipe right now. If you want to use this tool more broadly, right, and to turn it into a workflow, you can do that as well, right? So for that, you will need to open an account, but you get a generous free tier of credits. So I'll give an example. Demo user, gmail.com. And then you can explore more of the power of DocuPipe, right? You can do more than just convert a one-off document into a one-off Excel, where DocuPipe really shines. So, going back to the same example workflow, let's go and upload the same statement. And this time, instead of just rushing to the end and getting in Excel, what we're doing with DocuPipe is building a pipeline. Let's say you are dealing with incoming bank statements, just as an example, every day, and you want to organize them every day the same way. What you can do with DocuPipe is basically build what we call a schema, right? A template for how we want to understand our documents, and you're not stuck with our AI telling you how it wants to lay out the information. Rather, instead, you are able to govern and control the extraction process. You can change field names. You can explain. More. You can ask for fields that aren't there, right? For example, I can ask our AI for each stated purchase. Was this a market? Was this a grocery store? Expense or some other expense, right? So let's do that. Let's say classify each expense into expense category, into common expense categories. And now suddenly we're not like just inferring one thing that's written in the table and taking the number and putting it down, but rather we're building an extraction process that can power more advanced automations, right? Instead of like ingesting bank statements and finding, what's the amount of retail shopping, what's the amount of dining shopping, and so on and so forth, right? Hey presto, now with DocuPipe, we don't just have a thing that ingests a single document and gets an ad hoc Excel spreadsheet from it. Instead, what we have is a plan that can run again and again, an extraction that is robust, that you can use to power actual downstream automations, right? So now we can take a quick look at our results, right? We have, for every item, we have the expense category. That's all nice and well. We can still download it as an Excel, right? It's still, fundamentally, you get the same object, but you also get other representations of the data, like a JSON viewer. You can plug in the results into your target destination, which for bank statements might be a financial accounting software, but maybe you're looking at rental contracts, maybe you're looking in your professional life at insurance applications, maybe you're looking at loan applications, whatever the case may be, DocuPipe can help you do that. So plenty more to explore, right? DocuPipe can also classify, it can reason, it can look at the comparison operation between different documents, but I think that's a nice little taste of what DocuPipe can do. So hopefully you'll try us out.